So, Arsenal 0, Newcastle United 2. Away the lads. Why? Yeah, fair play. They dog walked Tottenham all around the Tottenham Stadium. And they dog walked Arsenal all around the Emirates. The cash cow. The Cronky cash cow. Top Gooners walking out with 7 minutes to go. Yeah, with 7 minutes of stoppage time. The German giraffe ended up on the right wing with the Bolivian, well, El Salvadorian striker that went for a little purple patch against Palace. The dwarf up front. And then we're crossing the ball high with a 6'8" centre-back for Newcastle with our smallest player on the pitch. Yeah, absolute disgrace. Our captain's a disgrace. Trossard, disgrace. Declan Couscous. F Declan Couscous. It's mouldy, bruv. It's salmonella. Yeah, everything about that game, Matty, I said it on the watch-along after 5 minutes. I said, Gabriel Magalhaes is having a stinker. Timber's having a stinker. Saliba weren't much better. Lewis Skelly, I felt sorry for that guy. However, you were part of the problem. But at the same time, yeah, these are experienced players. Yeah, that have played hundreds of games between them. Some of them have won stuff. Midfield. We need a goal. Huh. We need a goal. What do? Oh, let's bring on. Let's take off Thomas Partey, the only guy who can put a ball over the top, which he did multiple times, by the way. Let's take him off. Yeah. And I'll tell you what we do. Jorginho. We need a goal. Okay, cool. Let's bring Zinchenko on. Oh, we need a goal. Well, Sterling's on the bench, mate. Oh, no, we can't do that because he's only there for the numbers because he's still injured. This manager, Matty, the stage is yours. Southern Guna, link in the title, emergency meeting. Matty's joining, star-studded panel. And I swear down it'll be the most generational. I have had enough, Matty. Top Gooners all in tears. Trust your process. The League Cup's beneath us. Why are you crying? The stage is yours, my guy.
Giving Arteta the reins at Arsenal Football Club is like giving Stevie Wonder the keys to your car and telling him to drive to the nearest town. Guess what's going to happen? You're not going to make it. You're not going to make it. The longer this manager stays at this football club, the worse this will get. You have heard me say this before if you've watched these fan camps. See, this is going to be a very special fan camp because there's been a lot of people. I look in the chat. Trust, believe. I look in the chat. Trust and believe. I look in that chat, and people have said everything they can up under the sun about my thoughts on this football club and this manager. I've had people challenge me. I've had people challenge Lee. What do these guys know? I know one thing. We ain't winning jack this year under this manager. And guess what that is? Another feather in the cap of failure with this manager. We got our butts kicked tonight. And I'm keeping it clean because we on this fan cam. We got skin up real good tonight. Another Newcastle shellacking. We're becoming their whooping boys, whether y'all want to believe it or not. Every time Newcastle plays us, they probably get excited when they see us on the fixture list. Oh, man, at least we know we got a win coming up. That's what happened today. I'm not going to beat up Skelly today. I could go going on. I'm not.
Yeah, we're allowing me. He's a boy, man.
He's a young blood, still trying to learn his trade. But I will tell him this: if he knows what's good for if his parents are watching this tonight, brother to brother, just letting you know, get that young man somewhere where he can grow and mature and become a great footballer. Because he's not going to do it under this manager, Lee. He's going to break him like he's broken everybody else. Every player you watched out there tonight is just destroyed. Kai Havertz jumping into the net like a fool. Jesus coming on, not knowing what's going on. Shaggy running around the midfield. That's what I'm going to start calling him from now. I got a name for Odegaard now. I had to figure out a good one for him. Shaggy from Scooby-Doo. Just running around. Running around like he's running from the minor 49er. Just running all over the pitch. Not doing a damn thing. Martinelli, wide open. Hey, make a name for yourself, son. This is it. Rebirth. I'm feeling good. I'm looking. Anybody watch the fan cam saw I was into. And then what does he do? Nothing. Timber, much as I love you, my brother, right in front of goal. Nothing.
He was shit defensively as well.
Jorginho, nothing. Thomas Partey was trying to put some stuff together. He gets hooked.
He was probably our best player if we
He
were
was the best. But guess what? And guess what he played, Lee? What position?
Oh, he played in his actual position.
Yeah. This manager is done. It's done. It's finito. It's over. Kaposh. You can go ahead and put a bow on it. Put a bow on it because this is it. This is done. His best chance to win a cup just went walking. And let me tell y'all, for some of y'all coming here, oh, it's only the first tie. How does this manager do in second return leg ties? Doesn't do too well. This is a fact. This isn't me just saying it. This is a fact. Doesn't do too well. And
well, let's go through it. Let's go through it. Olympiacos, Villarreal,
Sporting
Lisbon. Yeah, Bayern München,
Liverpool, Manchester
Liverpool
City.
after the semi-final of the League Cup. Yeah, bro, this guy is a scrub.
He's a serial loser, Lee.
Thank you.
He's a serial loser, and he's been one ever since he's arrived. And I don't
ever
hear anything about
it as a player, bro. He's been a serial loser.
He was a scrub then.
What's he actually won?
I just brought it up with Northside and them. I say the team looks like him. The team is a reflection of what he looked like as a player.
And the captain is also a mirror image of him.
Of him.
One trophy that guy's won in
we
11
got beat.
seasons.
We got beat by some of the best teams up under him. 6-0 here, 6-1, whatever it was when we played. We got blown away. Let's put it like that. We were getting blown away with him in the midfield pulling the strings. Let that sink in. This man ain't up for the job. He ain't up for it. He been telling you lies. And Lee, did you hear what he said in the press conference?
I've not seen it, mate. I've not seen it.
I'm going to paraphrase it. He basically came out and said that the ball in the Carabao Cup moves faster than the ball in the Premier League.
Okay, cool.
And
the Men in White jackets, come and get this guy, bro.
And he said, and we have to adjust to it. That's what he said.
Okay, cool. Let me tell you right now, yeah? Yeah, Newcastle pass the fucking ball quicker than we do, bruv. It's not the ball, it's our fucking team tactics against Eddie Howe.
Listen, we ain't going nowhere and nowhere fast. And I reckon, and Northside brought this up early, and I'm inclined to agree with him. We're not making top 4 this year.
No, Matty, I've said it all season. Yeah, we're in a top 4 race.
Yeah.
And if Chelsea sort their shit out, and they're looking at players, by the way, because they're going to get a transfer ban, so they're stockpiling to cover that. Smart business. What are we doing?
Sitting on your hand.
We're what? 8th of January at 1:30 in the morning, my time, yeah? 8th of Jan. I know it's still 7th where you are, yeah? 8th of Jan. We have an injury crisis. Yeah. And what the fuck have we done about it? Where's Marquinhos, by the way? His loan ended at Fluminense after he won a trophy, by the way, 8 days ago. Where is he? Because I ain't seen nothing about him. Is he alive? Is he good? Where's Tomiyasu? Maybe they're shacked up together like Tupac and Biggie. Like, what are we doing here? And he can play right wing back. Where was Sterling? Oh, Sterling. Oh, yeah, he's out for weeks. Why is he on the bench then?
Sitting on the bench.
Why didn't Marino play? He got an assist. He got a goal before that.
Not good enough. Not good enough, Lee. He knows it. The manager knows it. This team ain't good enough. These are the same players, Lee, that we've had for the last 4 or 5 years. Some 3, but we've had extended time with these players. And what have we done with them? Nothing. So what's the one problem? What's the one constant with all these players and all this? It's the manager. The manager.
Who scared the shit out of everybody, gone and got a load of rugby players with no tech.
Yeah.
Yeah. That are just set piece FC. Yeah. And confidence FC.
And Theo,
with a couple of little fucking purple patch runs.
Theo Walcott even came out tonight and said he's concerned. He said, where's the free flowing football that I know from Arsenal?
No, at least he said it. What did Wrighty say?
We need killers.
Hey, guess what? We're getting killed at fucking Emirates at the weekend by Man United. Garnacho and Rasmus are score. I'm telling you now. Garnacho and Rasmus will fucking score.
I'll say this, Lee, before we shut it down. I'm gonna say this, and we get ready for this emergency meeting that will be epic, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
You can go out and get anybody right now. You can go get Mbappe, you can go get Messi, you can go get Jesus, Santa Claus, Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown, Garfield, Heathcliff, Dennis the Menace. You know, you can go out and go get anybody right now. Gizmo Duck, Scrooge, you know, Zelda, Mario, Luigi. Not sure if you want to get Luigi right now, but you know, you can go get anybody you want. It ain't gonna do no good in this team. Why? Why you say that, Matt? Because the manager.
What would this act do? Real talk. What would this act do in this team right now?
Regress, just like everybody else that's been up under. He regressed just like everybody else. Go backwards. He probably wouldn't even have the goals he's got now. He'd have him playing right back, left back, across the back line. Might even be in the goalkeeper if he played for us. I don't want this manager to get one red cent to spend on anybody else going forward. I don't want this ownership to spend another cent until they sort themselves out and go get us a real manager and a sporting director. And I'm not talking about Thomas Rosicky, a real sporting director. It's time for some changes around this football club. This is year 5, y'all. And I've had enough.
The best thing we can do, Matty, you see the 800 million we spent nearly? Yeah, you've said it a million times before, yeah? Yeah, we could have bought a nuclear missile. Best thing we can do
is drop it and blow it up.
Nuke this whole thing, bruv. On that bombshell, Matty, shout your thing out. I know you're jumping on the emergency meeting. We've got a star-studded panel. This is going to be generational. There's 400 people waiting already.
Southern Gooner here on YouTube. Check me out. Hopping on this emergency stream. We coming with hard, cold facts. This is not going to be for the faint of heart. I'm just going to let y'all know now.
Yeah, if you're a mutant, cool. Watch it, like it, hold the ads. Yeah, guess what? We don't care. Yeah, we've been telling you for the longest. Yeah, reality's kicked in on the Carabao Cup. Why? The Carabao Cup's beneath a club like Arsenal. So why are you all crying? Fuck you. We're out. Cronky out.
Arteta all the way out.